dude, that's my favorite type of porn. Like, that's pretty.
It's like my ex-wife.
Wow.
And even there's a traffic jam in the water. Come on.
Wow. Wow, look at this beautiful tunnel.
Turn left onto Utah 92 West.
Wow, look at that graffiti. I love it.
Oh yeah.
Penis.
Freaking balls.
Wow.
I mean, you can't go anywhere without seeing some graffiti with dick and balls.
What a beautiful canyon.
Utah 92 West.
Oh shit, right here? Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Look at those beautiful cave paintings over there. Indian, Native American.
On Utah 92 West for 5 miles.
There's not enough trash out.
Oh dude, I have some right now to throw.
Dude, fucking do it, bro. You need to contribute.
Bruh, we're almost there. Nah, dude, we have to get gas. Oh no, just kidding. We have to get a charger for my stupid cousin, dude. I know. Oh, now we're in the canyon. We're like just almost there.
Dude, we see them. We're right there.
They're just
we see them. Ask him if he sees me waving.
Damn, for real? You guys are some good ass homies, dude. You guys are the real ones. Hey, it's Adam's fault though, because he said he wanted carne asada fries.
Nah.
What do you want to eat?
Taco.
That's gay. That's gay. We just...
Dude, I think I'm down with that, bro. I'll have to do the same. Let's just do it. It's gonna be healthy day. Dude, me and Brandon are gonna get a bunch of minerals.
Wow. Oh, look at all that. Dude, I found mineral water up there, dude, from the earth.
Earth water?
Yeah, dude.
I just got new tires on this thing. I'm putting them to use now. I'm breaking them in.
Yeah. Do you have to break in tires usually or not?
Oh yeah, dude. You have to break them in their whole life.
Wow. Dude. That used to be my uncle's philosophy until his popped and then he died in a car accident. Right, Adam?
Yeah.
Yo, but he had like 4 different kinds of tires that he was breaking in at the same time. Do you think that contributed to the height?
That's why you just keep it on 4-wheel drive and just rip around places, fuck up the tranny, and then you have to replace the tranny.
Oh.
You get a better tranny, and then the tranny breaks your tires again.
I love trannies, dude.
Do you guys like jerking off in the woods?
On the woods? You know, I mean, maybe in the woods.
Not on the woods?
Like, if a tree had a nice size hole in it, you know?
When's the last squirrel you Adam?
The last squirrel I was Sandy Cheeks from Bikini Bottom.
Back in Texas, we call ice cream frozen cock sex. Woo. I thought I left that glass of peanut juice on the table. And since when did I acquire all these portraits of...
Yes, you clapped them cheeks.
Take up the whole fucking road, you
Alright. Sandy cheeks.
She was a cheeky
Wow, dude. Look at all these houses over here.
She like nuts in her mouth?
Yeah.
That's so rare for
Aspen Grove, BYU.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Girl. That guy's daughter is pretty hot.
Yeah. That's her sugar daddy, dude.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Oh, damn. Oh, wait. Is this where we pay or what?
Turn left, then turn right.
It's full. Parking is full.
Stupid idiot.
So we can park anywhere, right? And just walk there?
Let's park anywhere, dude.
No, I think this is my homie right here. Oh, he said he had an Escalade?
Let's park on the lawn.
82 West for 6 miles.
Hey, where are you guys parked at? Damn. At the sign, before the sign or what?
Look, everybody has tickets on their cars.
Yeah, those are tickets, huh?
I don't know.
I don't think we can park in here.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna look for parking. Is that your guys' Escalade or what? The one that says Sundance MVP or something? We'll park over there somewhere then.
Well, wait.
We'll figure it out.
I'm gonna be on it. Escalade.
Hey, can we park
right
there?
here?
Can we park there?
I don't see any signs or no parking anytime that way. So as long as I get like super close.
Are you sure?
Pass it around.
Well, let me see how far I'm.
Alright.
Hold on, let me see here.
Yeah.
Try it a little bit.
Yeah. Why did you speed up, bro?
They slowed down. They
You know what's
we
so-
were looking at them. They got scared.
There's no doors.
It's like they don't even have to get on their knees type of thing.
Yep.
They still have to keep their neck in their back.
Dude, and then we can and then we can high five each other across their car, but it's so tiny. Yeah, dude.
Here you go. I made it special.